Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be unboxing this keychain size 2x2 Rubik's Cube that I got from SpeedCubeShop for around $3. Okay, and here's the cube. And there is a card in here for SpeedCubeShop. And there are more cards in here. A SpeedCubeShop sticker. And some other things. But we are here for the package. It is in this very weird looking packaging that says toys, but let's open it up. And the keychain comes with it, so we can attach this keychain to the cube. And here is the keychain on the cube. Oh no! Well, one of the pieces came off. The pieces came off as I was taking the keychain back off. I will not be using this keychain for that reason. But now, let's get into the first turns. It seems sandy, but overall it's not that bad for a keychain. It's actually pretty good. Let's do a checkerboard pattern on it. And now let's do a solve. And overall quality is pretty good, especially for the size of something this small. And there's the cube solved, and now I'm going to compare it to some other cubes. Now for comparison, I have this GAN keychain, and they're pretty close in size, as you can see here. Now I could not find the keychain for the GAN cube, like this one, and I will not be using this keychain for this cube, as you saw earlier why. And for more comparison, I have my GAN 2x2, and it's pretty small. They look pretty much the same, except this one has white internals. And this one, for some reason, it's very tight, but it has orange internals. And this will add on to my keychain collection. I used to have a keychain Pyraminx, but it broke, and I don't know where it went. And for comparison, for turning, this is the keychain 2x2. And this is the GAN 2x2, and the GAN is obviously going to be much better, because it's GAN. But for $3, this is an amazing cube, and I will use this time to time if I'm like out somewhere, and I need to put this in my pocket if I want to have a cube that's not too big. And that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.